What's up, guys? What am I doing here at Domino's? Well, finished leg workout, was in the mood for a slice of pizza. How bad could Domino's personal pan pizza be with pepperoni to 3 Ps? Well, at 520 calories, it is pretty bad. This thing's actually really, really bad. This is loaded with fat, saturated fat, trans fat. This is loaded with nitrates for the pepperoni. The carbs are processed refined carbs that are sure again to get you really, really hungry. This is a sodium bomb. And on top of it all, guys, you're gonna hear me talk about it a lot. The macros suck. For the 520 calories, you are not getting a lot of protein. Guys, we can also make this in a way that you can eat this every day. You can eat this all the time, not once in a blue moon. You can really, really enjoy it. So as far as I'm concerned, we can do a lot better than this. Come on, guys, let's make it better. All right, guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Taking a look at this thing again. We know why this thing is bad, guys. For upwards of like 1,000 calories, you're getting really no nutrients. I say 1,000 because I was looking at this thing again, and with the amount of pepperoni they put on it, which they don't really list on the website, this is way closer to 1,000 calories, even though the version we're talking about today is 4 slices and not 6. That being said, we can do something way, way better for way less calories, way less saturated fat, less sodium, more protein. We can use good ingredients too. Every once in a while, something like this is all right, but as a general rule of thumb, guys, this pizza belongs in the garbage. I landed it. That was nice. All right. What do we need for this recipe? Well, nothing crazy. We're actually gonna make our pizza crust with ground chicken, no antibiotics, stuff like that. And we're gonna mix that with some einkorn flour, just a little bit, garlic powder, and some salt also. We're gonna use some Primal Kitchen tomato basil. This is a great pasta sauce, pizza sauce too, not a lot of calories. I really like it, great ingredients. The Primal stuff in general you will find has great ingredients. I'll give you a link if I can, support the channel. We also are gonna use just a nice part skim classic cut mozzarella cheese. We'll pop this on there and make it nice and cheesy. And then we're gonna use some Applegate turkey pepperoni. You can also use Applegate regular pepperoni as well. The reason you wanna go for Applegate if you're gonna have something like pepperoni is you want it uncured. You don't want nitrates in there. Nitrates are shown to be carcinogenic, no bueno. So let's get this thing going here. We're making one personal pan pizza for ourselves. The first thing I'm gonna do, ground chicken into the bowl. Bam. Check that out. Ground chicken is in. We're going to add a tablespoon of einkorn flour. Get that in there. Also gonna do granulated garlic. Gonna do some garlic powder. If you don't have einkorn flour, you can use any kind of flour. This is just kind of what we like. Also, guys, when you're adding salt, highly recommend pink Himalayan salt, not sea salt. Sea salt is loaded with microplastics. Avoid sea salt at all costs. Right. Mix this around, guys. You don't have to overmix it. Oh, give it a quick spray. Little hack, guys, if you wet a spatula, it is a lot easier to make your pizza crust with a wet spatula. We have used a spatula, we smoothed it out with our hands. It's a nice, I don't know, 8-inch salmon or something like that. This is gonna go in the oven for about 15 minutes. The higher an oven temperature you guys use, the crispier it will be. When I start seeing those edges turn nice and brown, that's how I know mine is ready. 450 for this one. Little bit on einkorn flour, guys. Wheat, if you consume wheat, that's cool. I consume wheat too. Wheat is very often sprayed with glyphosate. This einkorn is not sprayed with glyphosate, which is part of the reason we use it. We like it a lot. I think it just tastes really, really good, guys. The other thing too is this has a very low gluten content. Now, if you can't have any gluten, then don't have this. But if that's the kind of thing where some people will be like, if I have gluten, I don't feel so good. This has less gluten than most breads do. All right, guys, I think it's ready. Come on over. All right, it looks excellent. Holy cow, look at the crisp on that crust. It's actually so crispy, it's like coming off, guys. Look at that dough moving around. Let's make our pizza. Come on over. Make sure you have a cutting board down because this is obviously would, burn the counter and whatnot. So this looks really crispy. It's the way I want it. First thing I'm gonna do, the Primal Kitchen's going on this. I've done this a lot. I know what half a cup looks like. So I'm gonna mix this around with my spatula a little bit, guys. Give it some good coverage. It looks nice and saucy and delicious. It's only about half a cup of sauce. And now we weighed out 56 grams of the part mozzarella cheese. So it's just going on top. It's gonna be nice and cheesy, guys. Heck yeah. You know what, honestly, this is like more cheese than I even need. You guys don't wanna go, I did 2 servings of the part skim cheese. If you guys wanted to do 1.5, that's totally fine. And lastly, our much healthier, though I wouldn't have it all the time because there's some saturated fat in it, our much, much healthier Applegate pepperoni. All right, I don't even need this last one, so there we go.
I'm hitting the button.
Excellent. All right, guys, bring it in. Now it's gonna go back in here just until it looks good, maybe another 4 or 5 minutes, something like that. All right, see you in a minute. Smells really good. I have a hunch this thing is ready. Come on, let's check this thing out. Cheese and pepperoni and all. Holy cow, guys. This is the healthy version. Theirs is over 500, probably closer to 600 calories, crazy crappy macros. So this is only 450. You're getting like 60 grams of protein here. Let's check it out. Let's do a taste test. Look at that. Guys, this looks absolutely phenomenal. Wow, that's nuts. Cut myself a beautiful, God, even cut so nice. Beautiful, delicious slice here. Make it look pretty.
I did it.
Yeah. All right, guys, this is out of the oven. It is dripping with cheese and deliciousness. This thing looks phenomenal. Theirs looks like it died. You know what? It might as well have, because this is death pizza. You don't want to eat this. Every once in a while, it's all right. Don't make it a staple. Toss it into the trees. No bueno. This is fantastic. This is what's up. We're gonna try this now. I'm ready for the taste test. Come on, bring it in, guys.
Mine is so good.
It wasn't very good for me.
Mine is so good that
Dude.
mine is so that pizza.
Guys, this is amazing. This is a pizza you can eat every day, feel amazing about. This is great for you. This is the diet, guys. This is the diet. And guys also aren't limited to pepperoni. Put whatever you want in it. Sausage, meat, pepper, sausage, meatballs, pineapple, whatever the heck you like. The whole thing also, guys, it took 2 minutes to prepare, maybe 15, 20 minutes in the oven. This is not a big procedure. This isn't something that's gonna take you a week to make. You can meal prep it in advance, make a couple of these, cut them up. They go great in tin foil in the fridge and throw them in the air fryer whenever you're ready to eat them. If you like this, I appreciate you guys. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. What do you guys want me to do next? Join the Caffeinated Iron Club, become a super. Anything you can do, I appreciate. I want to hear from you guys. Let's have another bite. Until next time.